And now let's see how Marts and Paula will demonstrate slow foxtrot choreography with teaching count. And slow, quick, quick, slow, and quick, slow, quick, 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 slow, and quick, 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 slow, quick, quick. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite direction. And slow, quick, quick, slow, and quick, slow, quick, 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 slow, and quick, 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 slow, quick, quick. And now let's see same slow foxtrot choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take close hold, prepare, and start with feather step. We continue with a double reverse overspin. Notice lady's heel turn here. Then we dance feather finish, which we continue with extended weave, which means we add 2 extra steps. Now we dance bounce fallaway with weave ending, and in corner we dance hover telemark. Very good. And now let's see once again choreography in slow motion, and now we will focus on direction of movement. So man is facing diagonally to wall. We take close hold, prepare, and start with feather step, moving diagonally to wall. In same direction we dance double reverse overspin into corner. Then we move out of corner diagonally to center with feather finish. We continue extended weave down line of dance. Then we move diagonally to wall with bounce fallaway and weave ending, which we finish moving diagonally to wall into corner, and there we dance hover telemark. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Marts and Paula, and special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining us on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching, and see you in the next dance videos.